Hey guys, it's Abby, and today is our favorite box of the month. Someone just screamed upstairs. Mystery Pleasure Box. This is an adult subscription, so if you do not like adult subscription boxes, you should not be here. But if you do, then you're in the right place. This is $59.99 every month, and it's filled with lots of stuff for adult fun. And it's definitely worth the price. So this can be a little kinky, like really kinky. So it might not be the right box for you, but it is fun to unbox on my channel. I do have a video on this channel right now that is getting seen quite a lot. The last time I looked at it was like 73,000 views. I've never had a video in my entire life do that well. And you all know, I've been on YouTube for quite a long time. So for my second channel to do well is like shocking. So I'm very happy, but I do notice that they're clicking in and clicking out. They're like, oh, nope, we don't like her. Get out. It's okay. All right, so when you open up the box, it looks like this. And the bedroom vows are, I vowed to challenge you to a naked pillow fight before making love. I don't know. See, I get very serious with my pillow fights. And if my husband hits me a little too hard with that pillow, shit's gonna go down. And we probably won't be going down in a sexy way. All right, so this tells you everything that's in your box. And let's go. Ooh, yes. We've got Poppin' Rock Candy. We have the strawberry This is Pop Rocks, basically, for blowjobs. Yep. I'm gonna try the... Let's try the Sexy Strawberry, just to try it out, make sure it's safe. You want to make sure this shit is safe. This is so sour. Why is it so sour? I mean, it's really, really sour. That tastes really good. All right. Then we have these. I have them popping in my throat. We have Keep It Clean with on-the-go wipes. Oh, the Poppin' Rock Candy Fruit Strand. There's 3 pieces for $7.99. And they're supposed to make oral sex more fun. So here we go. Okay. Oh, wait. No, those aren't it. So here we go. And then these are just, you know, to clean yourself off. The next thing is this, and this is Hot Easy Rider, the perfect male masturbator. Is that what it's supposed to look like in there? That is a clitoris. This vagina design hot penetration experience never felt so real before and will make, my nose is running, and will make every fantasy come true. Adjust the suction level thanks to the air holes in the cup. And the new rippled area will ensure you a real feel. The tightening zone let you experience more sensations than before. Open the cap, add a little lube. Condoms are not necessary. Well, no shit. It's a vagina in a jar. It's a vag jar. I just don't know how to open these. That's what my issue is. So there you go. Not that I have a penis to put it in, but I'm just saying I don't know how to open them. Okay, so we got vagina jar. The next thing is this. This is the Kink Doc Johnson water-based lubricant. It's a spray. Is that a spray? You spray this stuff on? Okay. This retails for $11.99. And it's formulated to be longer lasting. The water-based lube supplements the body's natural lubrication for all wet and wild fun you've been craving. 4 fluid ounces. The next thing is this. And this is the double finger banger. Oh my Lanta. I got this in one of my other boxes. There it is. That's what it looks like. So you just put your fingers in there. I'm not going to take it out of its pocket, but this retails for $28.99. You have got to be kidding me. $28.99 for this? There's no way. There's just no way. Anyway, you put it on your hand like a glove, and it's only for 2 fingers, or however many you want. And then you put the little vibe in the, like right here. Wait. Yeah, like right here in your palm, and then that's all I gotta say. All right, the next thing is this. Oh, we got a unicorn horn. Yes. So we're gonna be playing, we're gonna play unicorn. Ram that horn. Look. How cute. All right. So, oh, these are anal beads. This would come out my belly button. I'm scared to death. I like it better as a unicorn horn. Or a ring holder. Got that one. $5.99. All right, the next thing is this, and this is the dual stretch to fit cock and ball ring. Okay, so this is this. This retails for $13.99. And it just goes on your bits and pieces. So, got that. And last but not least is this, and I love getting these so much. This is a lingerie, and it's a one size fits all. And they stretch, like they're very stretchy. They're so cute. This has like an open tush. This retails for $24.99. It's called the Contrast Fence Net Teddy. Teddy with a combination opaque and net. It has a deep V-neck. This teddy has some stretch and can be worn from size small to large. Stretches 4 ways and forms on your body. Easy fit, stretchy, affordable contrast net accentuates the figure. And it does. Like these make me feel really sexy. Like super duper sexy. So I really like this. I like that the back looks like that. So it's nice and like your cheeks come out like that. Yes, ma'am. I'll wear the crap out of this. It'll probably be done, a one and done. My husband has an issue with like not ripping these. Like just don't rip it. That's all I'm asking you. Even comes in a cute little box. Oh, this seems like it might be a little bit better quality than some of the other ones I have. Just by the way it's packaged. It looks like it could fit a Barbie doll. But it does stretch. Like when I tell you it stretches, like it stretches, guys. It really does. Like here's the butt. It stretches. Like I know it does because I've worn these. I love the halter top look. Love it. Yes, I do. All right. So for the month of March 2020, in the mystery pleasure box, we've received the bodysuit, the cock and ball rings, the unicorn horn right here. Yep. We received the rock candy, the double finger banger. That's a mouthful. We received, oh no, we received the vagina in a bottle and the lube cleaner. No, lube cleaner. What the heck's a lube cleaner? I don't know. The lube. Is it spray on? I want to find out if it's spray on. I'll see. I shouldn't have put my mouth on that. That was really gross. Super nasty. Okay. Oh no, it's a pump. All right, so we got this lube pump. I thought it was really good. It always is. I mean, I have liked some of their boxes a little bit better than this one, but I don't mind any of it. Except for maybe this. And this is a little scary. I mean, this is either a wand or a unicorn horn. This is not going anywhere near my tush. No, no. It's as long as my arm. Where does it go? It was all the way in there. Where is it? In my colon? I can't. I can't. But, all right, guys, that is it for today. I'll make sure to link this box in my description box down below so you can go check it out for yourself. And I hope you guys are having a really great day. I love you guys so, so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.